Hello friends, this is Harmeet from Themung.com. In today's video, I am going to explain you how you can easily import your demo template of OpenShop Pro theme. So friends, as you can see here, I have already installed and activated OpenShop Pro theme. So when you activate your theme, you will get a link in the Appearance tab to get started with OpenShop. Just click on this link and here you can see that here is a demo import content title, and click on the demo template button to see available templates of theme. So here you can see that there are two templates. So here I am going to select a digital marketplace template here. So here you can see at the right panel the preview of the template from top to bottom, and in the left panel you can see here are three required plugins indicating. These plugins are required because to show all your products and contact form in your site. So as you can see there, it is indicating to activate these three plugins because I have already installed these plugins in my dashboard. If you have not installed these plugins in your dashboard, then it will show you to install these plugins. For that you have to just click here install plugin, and it will automatically install and activate all of your three plugins. So now I am just activating all the three plugins here, and you can see that all three plugins are activated and a green button is highlighted to import this site. Just click on this site, and after that you will see 3 points before importing your content. So after reading content, just click on the OK button, and then you can see here the process is started. It is importing your data, importing pages and medias. After that it will import your widgets, it will import your customizer settings, and then everything will be done. So it will take little time to import the data. So here you can see that the process is completed. So now we can check by clicking on this button that how is our website is looking. So you can see here that all our data is imported and all the products and widgets and footer, everything is visible to us. So friends, this is the very easy steps to import demo data of OpenShop Pro theme. If you have any query or you have any issues while importing demo data, then just comment below and I will help you to import your demo content. Thank you friends.